Most people think listing a home looks like this. Hire an agent, stick a sign in the yard, take some photos, put it on the market. And honestly, a lot of agents do work exactly that way. But the truth is, there are over 100 tasks that go into listing a home correctly. And the decisions you make before it ever hits the market have a real impact on your final sell price. In this video, I'll walk you through the full timeline so you know what's coming. Our team has helped over hundreds of families buy and sell homes across the greater Philadelphia area. And the sellers who get the best results are almost always the ones who understand the process before it started. So let's get into it. Before anything else, get clear on your goals. Are you trying to maximize price, move quickly, coordinate with another purchase? All those answers shape every decision that follows. Pricing, timing, preparation. And the Philadelphia market right now is not the same as it was a few years ago. Things are taking a little longer to move. Buyers have more choices. So your plan needs to match today's market and not yesterday's headlines. From there, the most important decision you'll make is choosing the right agent. Don't just go with whoever someone recommends. Interview a few. Read the reviews. Look at how they present things online. A good agent isn't just uploading photos to the MLS. They're guiding pricing, preparation, marketing, negotiation, and problem solving from the beginning to the end. Getting that right sets the tone for everything that follows. Pricing is where a lot of sellers go wrong. And it's one of the most important parts of the whole process. When you're pricing a home, we look at what's active, what's under contract, and what actually sold. We compare all of that to your specific home, the condition, the size, the updates, the location, and the land on a realistic range that will actually get it sold. A lot of sellers are tempted to test the market by starting high. And what we see consistently is that homes priced correctly from day one get more attention, more showings, and stronger early momentum. When a home sits too long, buyers start wondering, what's wrong with it? Days on market kills. That stigma is really hard to undo, and it often means price reductions that could have been avoided entirely. Price it right from day one. Once you've signed the listing agreement, the real work begins. And this is probably the most overlooked part of the process. We start with a walkthrough to identify any repairs worth making. The rule of thumb we use, if you spend $1, it has to bring you back $3. We're not going to suggest a full kitchen or bathroom remodel. You're not going to see that return. Put fresh paint, a deep clean, caulking, minor touch-ups. We also look at anything that could come up during the inspections or lender requirements. Smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, banisters, chipped paint, especially if you want to be able to accept FHA or VA offers. Better to handle it now than when you're already under contract. Then, when we depersonalize, take down personal photos and anything that makes the space feel specifically like yours, you want buyers walking through, imagining themselves there, not feeling like they're walking through someone else's home. Once all of that's done, we schedule professional photos, video, and Matterport tour. Most buyers start their search online, and you get excited with your eyes first. If the photos don't pull someone in, they're not coming to see it in person. Your online presentation has to create interest, not just document the house. Once the home is ready, how you launch it matters just as much as how you priced it. The goal isn't to put it online and wait. A strong launch starts with coming soon period, ideally a week, to build interest and alert other agents. Then we go live Thursday or Friday to concentrate buyer attention around the weekend when people are most available. And once you're live, we are not just waiting for traffic. We're door knocking, circle dialing, hosting open houses, posting on social media, and reaching out to buyers in our database who match the home and every person who shows interest and gets followed up with. It's not a one and done conversation. We're actually working that listing the entire time it's on the market. When offers start to come in, it's tempting to go straight to the highest number, but price is only one part of the offer. Cash is king, and conventional financing is simpler than FHA or VA in most situations. Fewer contingencies reduce your risk. The best offer isn't always the biggest number. It's the one with the strongest overall terms for your situation. After you accept, it's inspections, appraisal, mortgage approval, title work, and in Philadelphia, often a local use and occupancy certification. The more your agent has prepared you for each of these steps, the fewer surprises you'll run into on the other side. If you're thinking about selling in the next 6 to 12 months, the best thing you can do now is meet with an agent. Walk through your home, get a realistic pricing range, and figure out what repairs to start thinking about. That way, when you're ready to pull the trigger, you're already ahead of the game. To go deeper on any part of this process, download our Home Seller's Guide. It walks you through each stage in detail. And when you're ready to talk about the specific sale, schedule a listing consultation with our team. We'll walk you through everything together.